best for Cabusao. And we have Legazpi, Quina, Cueto, Mira, and Sanggalang for Del Gallego.
51, hindi pumasok, rebound. Fast break ng number 4, layup. 2 points. Pinababa ang bola. Uy, akala ko tira. Pasa pala yun.
My coach back in my college days, sa mga gantong pagkakataon, mararamdaman mo yung coaching nung former coach ko pag tinatakbuhan kami.
Ang unti-untiin yung kalamangan, kaya lang nag-turnover.
Ayan
na naman ang fast break. 2 points. Ganda ng penetration. Na-reward siya ng easy 2 points. Ganda ng tira. May kasama pang foul. Binigay kay 29. Yun. Easy 2.
Oo.
Sayang yun.
But Del Gallego has
Ayun.
to capitalize.
Remaining time is 3 minutes and 18 seconds ng second quarter. So, ayun.
Dire-diretso yung momentum. But you have to ride on your hot hands. So, kailangan nandun pa rin siya. And in a moment na nakita mong medyo bumababa, hindi nagmo-move, hindi gumagalaw yung depensa. Nag-ano lang sila.
Another rebound ng Del Gallego.
Number 5.
O yung gandang. Hindi lang natin siya makikita dito sa game na to, but during practices.
Kudos to them. Yung teamwork and hard work nila, nakikita talaga.
Oh, coach. So, paunti-unti, nababawasan yung lamang ng Del Gallego. Kaya lang binawian sila. Sabay tayong tataas with regards to yun sa level of competition. At ang gandang tirang yun, 2 points.
Yes, partner. Kasi yun eh. Opportunity to take advantage.
Yung last play na yun, yung offensive rebound na nag-result sa 2 points.
Agad. And every time na ginagawa mo yan, you open yourself up into turnovers. Kasi nagmamadali eh.
Kailangan you live and die by the system that you're trying to implement. Ito into 2 points offensive rebound and 2 points.
Well, sa body language, makikita mo na mukhang ready sila. Tapos makikita mo naman pwede mo silang bunutin. And yun, maano mo na.
At tumatakbo ulit sila and another fast break.
Talaga nila yung pace na ngayon, kahit tumatakbo na tong Cabusao, ang hirap nang ibalik. Ay mo, kanina ko pa sinasabi, yung spark.
Kasi minsan may mga pagkakataon na result ng game, naging dikdikan or naging close pa rin yung ball game.
Ay, sinabi mo pa, partner, and
Ayun,
again, parang sila pa yung naghahabol. But that was a good possession for us. Okay, 3 points.
So, another possession for Cabusao.
And may naiwan na player from Del Gallego.
Naasikaso yung ating mga players.
Number 16, Mira.
Bang, bang!
Sabi nga natin, sa offensive rebounds, the more possessions that we have, the more that you control the 50-50 balls, the more possession.
Right now, it's an experience na madadal nila pabalik habang nagpe-prepare uli sila for their next game. And hindi siya maganda para sa team. Ooh, all the way, coast to coast. And it's the end of the ball game.
94-72. Winner, Team Del Gallego.